Jai Srimanarayana, 18th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Antavanta ime dehaha nityasyoktaaha saririnaha anasinaha aprameyyasya tasmat yudhyasva bharata. Om. We are permanent but living in impermanent bodies. These bodies have an end because they are naturally perishable. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Ho Srimanarayana, I shall remember that I am living in this impermanent body so that I can pay attention to the goals that are not just related to this body. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara juhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying like this, "O Parikshin Narendra," Prahlada praying Vamana like this, "Hey Bhagavan, Chitram Tava Ihitam Aho Amita Yogamaya Lila Visrushta Bhuvanasya Visaradasya." You are the one, through your Yogamaya, you are the one who will be doing so many miraculous activities. Bhagavan, you are such a wish-fulfilling tree, Kalpavruksham. Your nature is Kalpavruksham, by which you will fulfill the desires of all your devotees. Like that, Prahlada prayed Paramatma. Then Paramatma saying like this, "Vatsa Prahlada Bhadraante Prayahi Sutalalayam." Oh my dear Prahlada, may you be safe. You also go to Sutala Lokam along with your grand son Bali Chakravarti and with your friends and relatives, and be happy in that Sutala Lokam. Oh Prahlada, you can see me every day, every time there. How? Nityam drashtasimam tatra gadapanim avastitam Shankha Chakra Gada Padma. I will be wearing all that, such a beautiful, wonderful, divine Mangala Swarupam, Divya Mangala Swarupam. You can always have my darshanam over there, by which you will be relieved from all kind of karma bandhas. Like that Paramatma Vamana blessed Prahlada, and then Prahlada along with Bali Chakravarti, they all did Pradakshina Namaskaram to Vamana and went to Sutala Lokam. After that, Paramatma saying to Sukracharya like this. What he is saying we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 18th sloka. Antavantayime dehaha Nityasyoktas sharirinaha Anashino aprameyasya Tasmat yudhyasva bharata. Antavantayime dehaha nityasyoktas sharirinaha Anashino aprameyasya Tasmat yudhyasva bharata. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.